Hi, my name is Tobias. I'm the brand ambassador for Lyre's non-alcoholic spirits.
And I'm Jackie from Fellow in Los Angeles. Today, we're going to be making one of my favorite classic cocktails, the Daiquiri.
Yum, excellent. Let's do your favorite. So what we use is Lyre's white cane spirit, 2.5 ounces. This is 2. And half it.
It's so good, the bees want to come over and enjoy.
3/4 ounce simple syrup. And 1 full ounce lime juice, fresh lime juice preferred. And a pinch of salt.
Just a pinch.
There you go. Do you mind shaking it for us?
Absolutely. Thank
So
you
close
so
here.
much. Give it a little. Oh, there we go again. There you are, sir.
Thank you.
I shook it with some love.
And we will taste that. Strain it into a coupe glass and garnish it with a lime wheel.
Beautiful. And there you have it. Classic Daiquiri. Cheers.
Delicious. To find this recipe and many other cocktail recipes, go to lyres.com.